Dude, we rent this place and I'm like, "Brother, just look at your finances. This is what happens when you come to a Punjabi's house, yeah.
So how do you feel not attending the Coldplay concert?
What's up guys, what's up? Welcome
To a new vlog.
For the past 2 months, Rhythm and I were discussing whether I should buy a new camera or upgrade my iPhone to start my YouTube journey again. And it made us realize that buying a camera right now is not a good decision because again, I would have to do multiple settings and I'm opposite of a tech nerd. Yeah, Rhythm is a tech nerd, I'm a noob. The iPhone was the best option for me. We did a lot of research on YouTube and got to know that the pro version of an iPhone is a really good gear for one to vlog. And the past video which we shot, all two of them are from the iPhone 16 Pro. And now I don't have to carry my camera everywhere, so I'm gonna make a habit to switch on my phone and start vlogging with it. As a reason, Rhythm's gifted me. Now we're going to go to Nidhi's house to shoot a brand deal, which we have been delaying for a month, literally for a month. But it's a fun video. It's not even any kind of scripted video where I have to rectify a script. This is a fun one, but because we were busy with TMM and excuses.
And we're shooting in this house because we want to change. We're tired shooting over here. Everything.
So now let's pack our bags and let's go. And we'll show you guys the BTS.
Hello.
So this is actually for Pride of Cows. This is the brand we are shooting for. It's a very fun concept. So guys, you all know Nidhi. Nidhi is officially leaving the country. We are happy for her. So we are going to get her plants, which I'm not ready for because I have already dealt with so many plants and I was the reason that they had to go through crucial conditions of me not watering them and me forgetting about them. So we might get this plant. This looks really pretty. निधि दे रहे हो ना फिर? हाँ और कुछ दे रहे हो? ये घर. Rhythm is like, should we rent this place? And I'm like, Rhythm, just look at your finances. How many days have you started your countdown? It's 22nd today. 8 days. Oh my god. I'm gonna miss Nidhi for sure because Nidhi was the only runner girlie I knew.
I'm the only friend in Bandra.
This is what happens when you come to a Delhiite house.
Punjabi's house.
Punjabi's house, yeah. They keep feeding you, and then you get food coma. Nidhi fed us paratha with aloo gobi, paneer ki sabji, dal paratha, and now she's like, "Arey mithai khao, desi ghee ki mithai khao."
I feel like I'm already gained 30 kilos.
Yeah, and we're supposed to shoot content. I'm already in a food coma and I haven't slept. And I've already committed to my manager that I'm shooting today.
Anyhow.
Nidhi गलती कर दी इधर खाना खा के घर पे चुपचाप सैलेड खा के आ जाते.
Dad's already feeling sleepy because she not slept well last night.
Exactly. And when you're a freelancer and when you don't have any kind of boss, sleeping becomes a priority. You cannot blame me. Rhythm and I both work in a very bad way. Unless and until the timeline is closer, we will not execute that campaign. This is a day in my life of a content creator.
This is how 90% of Dad's day goes.
Yeah.
You think she's very energetic throughout the day, she's not.
First I go for a run, then I come home, I have my breakfast, and then I'm like, "Arey, important cheez to ho gayi na, what to do?"
And then she'll sit on her couch for the next
And then supervise you.
6 hours.
I micromanage you.
Annoy me, Rhythm, what are you doing? Rhythm, what are you doing? Is the vlog not ready? Is it not ready? Like, Dad, what the fuck are you doing? Forget about me.
You taste first.
It's a burfi.
It looks like an orange burfi to me. Desi ghee.
You written this like that. What do you say?
Motapa. Mohan thal hai to.
Yeah, Mohan.
I love you, my MacBook. Who do I love more? You or my MacBook?
You don't love me, I know that. I'm the last list of priority.
Just
We were just
because.
discussing today, like I ran a marathon, everybody's like, "Rhythm, how did he run? He was so injured and everything." And I think I feel so bad for Rhythm being really injured. Like there's a laughter, like I don't know why she says that I feel bad for you that you are injured and you're running a painful race. But then you can see the smile on her face. You can see that she's laughing and she's enjoying that.
I generally feel bad for you. I also feel funny at the same time that you were like, "Arey, 420, I can easily pull it off."
And I said easily pull it off.
Yeah, the way
No, I
you
did not
sounded
say
before
easily
that.
pull it off.
Anyway, you got a good story for your first marathon. You can already see the sleep in my eyes.
Coffee.
अरे गेंद
गेंडे बोल.
अभी इतना खाया है कॉफी जाएगी का सिस्टम में
जाएगी.
I need to tell myself that the days I don't feel like shooting content, I have to tell myself that that content is giving me money to pay my rent and everything what I'm doing right now. I'm able to afford a MacBook. Rhythm is able to give me a phone is because of those brand deals, right? So Rhythm, we need to energize and start shooting.
Done.
How much money can you bet right now that I'm going to take a nap?
I don't want to bet any money. I know that you're going to take a nap.
No, say na. Bet some money so that I don't sleep.
You're literally in the mood to sleep. I can see the pillow over there.
ये मैंने तुझे बोला था मैंने कि ब्रेकफास्ट के बाद शूट कर तू अरे पूरा दिन है पूरा लाइट है यू नो हाउ आई फील आफ्टर आई एम डन विथ माय लंच माय डे इज डन
5 minutes nap?
That never happens. I don't know how people take 5 minutes nap. Tullu can take a 5-minute nap. And because last night again.
Is this entire vlog gonna be here only? On this Gadi?
Guys, we will try our best to change handles, but let us know if this was still entertaining for you all. At least we are loud, we're entertaining. Am I? Self-obsessed or nasty?
You are.
Real thing.
You are.
Are our vlogs entertaining? Only the views are popping, so I think they're entertaining. This is literally recording because he knows I'm gonna sleep.
So how do you feel not attending the Coldplay concert?
Kind of felt bad, but now that I'm doing not interested for every reel I'm seeing, I'm like I don't want to know what happened.
Did you actually feel bad?
थोड़ा सा लगा था कि like they were in Bombay and I couldn't attend. And we were getting the ticket for Ahmedabad, okay? Because Meghna booked the tickets for Ahmedabad and then she's like, oh shit, I'm not here. I'm in Bangalore, so do you guys want to go? And realize that the logistics is costing us too much. Even though it's Coldplay, I understand. But now I don't want to travel to Ahmedabad to see a light show. Sorry to say. People go to see the light show more than Chris Martin singing. And this year I'm going to be careful with my money. Not like last year when I randomly started booking concert tickets. So no, I think they'll keep performing. We'll rather go and attend somewhere else.
Exactly, I don't understand this point. A lot of people just attended Coldplay concerts thinking that, oh, this is the last performance.
Why will they
They are
stop
not
it?
gonna do any more concerts after this year.
Why will?
How? This is such a big revenue for them.
Yeah, it
Not
is.
just for them, for all the countries, for everybody. People are gonna beg them to perform till the day they die. They're gonna make sure that Coldplay keeps performing till the day they die. Like the light tour is gonna happen, this Spears tour or whatever tour they are doing, this light show and this that sprinkler that he throws in the
I think
night. It's gonna keep happening.
I think it picked up in the last 3 years, like all those.
I think last year mainly.
The people who were really fans like Tullu and Brandon, they attended the concerts. I'm happy for them. And luckily, there was Tata Mumbai Marathon happening at the same time, so we did not feel the FOMO. At least we were part of one big event. So yeah, I'm fine with that. I can play music and vibe at home. Light show नहीं देखा तो क्या होगा?
देखा दिवाली में.
I like me and Rhythm never wanted to like we are not big fans of Coldplay, so we're fine with that.
Like we know only 1 or 2 songs. Like
Not 1 or 2.
maybe I know just 5 songs.
Lyrics किसके नहीं आते?
किसी का भी नहीं आता.
वो vibe करना.
But we vibe, like we can understand like 5 songs, but we are not like so die-hard fans. Like we have to attend. Like if we don't attend a Coldplay song, so a part of our soul will get detached.
So first they announced Coldplay and we tried our best for the tickets, but after that we got to know that we are going to Skrillex. So we were more excited for Skrillex. So that's the reason like not attending Coldplay did not affect us because we were looking up to an artist which we wanted to attend for the past 8 to 9 years and we got to do that. So maybe for people who were big fans of Coldplay, they did not get to attend, so I feel bad for them. What do you guys feel about this? Did you all manage to get the ticket? Did you all manage to go to the concert? I know it's going to be a great experience if you got to attend. We're not saying that it's a bad concert. We're just saying that it did not affect us to that level. Even though.
My life is over. No.
Then, for how long did I sleep? 20 minutes. I woke up in 20 minutes. I look sleepy, but we're shooting the story right now. I have zero motivation to go to the gym right now. What about you?
I can do anything you want.
We were supposed to go right because we paid so much money. And now that I am actually tracking in my journal, habit tracker, run every day. Vlog, 4 down, 4 more to go. And gym,
0.
There's hardly any tick on the gym, which is making me feel bad. Like I should at least go to the gym and foam roll, but I should go. It's 6 o'clock right now. We're heading home. We'll not do any time pass. We'll have pre-snack and go for gym.
I'll do poo-poo.
I just did right now. How do you feel that your girlfriend never lets you do anything alone?
Kind of annoyed that I don't have any personal space. And everywhere I go, I have this dog following me. Literally, you're like a dog.
I am not a dog with it. Then I have difficult time spending time alone. To just
learn that, na?
I'm
You learn
joking.
how
I
to-
don't want you only to build muscles, okay?
I'm not here to come
I
and
want
lift
to be
weights. I'm here just
stronger.
to be in the gym for like 45 minutes.
Same. Entry in the mandir. After 1 week. Or more than that actually. I always mess up with my counting when it comes to push-up. I don't count properly because my brain knows that if I count it properly, I'm not going to do it. But now we move on to the second set. First set was about knee push-ups. I'm not able to do a proper push-up right now. But maybe slowly we progress. I have never paid enough attention to pull-ups, and that's the reason I cannot do a single pull-up. But the journey starts now. Now that your girl is going to visa for that obstacle race, I cannot be a pussy there. So the journey starts now, guys. Upper body strength. I am so hungry now that I can hog a good butter pav bhaji. Why does it happen that after you're done with your workout, you start craving for unhealthy food? You give me a pizza right now. Ooh, you give me a pav bhaji right now. I will love it. So hungry. It's 9:07. I'm glad you came to the gym. At least I tried doing knee push-ups. I tried doing a pull-up. I walked 10 minutes backward on the treadmill. Slowly getting into the routine. Body still needs recovery from the marathon. Monday se we'll start a proper program to build my lat strength, arm strength, tricep strength, core strength, everything. Focus on upper body. And running for sure. So running, I'm thinking to start base building because my heart rate is always high. So that's going to be the goal for the next 3 months. Probably. Not yet set. Came home, had my dinner, and now I'm in bed by 11 p.m. I would recommend everyone to enter the grandma era and go to bed by 11 o'clock. Trust me, it's a life changer. And because I'll sleep at 11, I'll wake up tomorrow fresh at 6:37 maybe. Last night I couldn't sleep properly because of the mosquitoes, but today I got the comfort agarbatti recommended to me by my friends and family. So I cannot spot any machars right now, and I'm hoping that I have a peaceful sleep today. So I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Thank you so much for all the comments. I love you guys. I have been reading all the comments and I love it. You guys taking out time and commenting something so nice. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. We are going strong. I am going to achieve my 8 YouTube video per month, at least for Jan. Road to 100k. We are going to get 100k subs this year, guys. Anyhow, by hook or by crook.